Welcome to 2026, the loudest year in human history. Continue watching till the end. We are surrounded by modern intellectual giants. These are the people who have a degree for every doubt and a theory for every miracle. They tell you that your faith is a fairy tale and your humility is a weakness. They have built a world that rewards the loudest voice and the sharpest tongue. But while they are busy screaming at the sky, they have forgotten one thing. The loudest sound in the universe isn't a shout. It's the silence of God. You know this feeling. It's the feeling of being the only believer in a room full of critics. It's the weight of being told you're behind the times because you still believe in the power of prayer. Our humble man doesn't fight back with words. He doesn't post a long rant on social media. He just waits. He knows that an argument won't change a heart, but a demonstration of power will. He is waiting for the giant to trip over its own shadow. The giants think they have won. They have analyzed your life and concluded that you are a failure. They look at your bank account, your certificates, and your status, and they say, "Where is your God?" This is the breaking point. This is where 90% of people give up and join the noise. But look closer. The man isn't shivering from fear. He is bowing in worship. He is intentionally becoming small so that the one who is truly great can take the stage. When silence speaks, the world has no choice but to listen. The white lion doesn't need to argue with the giant. Truth doesn't need to defend itself. It only needs to be unleashed. One breath from the Lion of Judah shatters the sophisticated lies of the modern age. The humble man stands up, and for the first time, the room is perfectly quiet. The critics are gone. The noise has ceased. Only the truth remains. God is looking for the silent warriors. He is looking for those who aren't afraid to be called fools for His sake. If you are tired of the noise and ready for the power, this is your home. We are Zed Bible Stories, and we are on a mission to reach 3,000 subscribers who choose the Spirit over the world. Hit that subscribe button to join our 2,400-strong family. Let's show the world that the humble shall inherit the earth. Comment. I choose the silence if you're letting God fight your battles tonight. Amen.